Good morning children. Now here is civics lesson number 2, role of the government in health. So children, in the previous class we have discussed all about what is healthcare in India, the cost of cure, then public and private healthcare facilities, and we have also learned about the tax that we pay to the government, for what purpose they are used. So children, today we are going to learn about healthcare and equality. Is it advocate available to all? And then what can be done? The Kerala experience and the Costa Rican approach. So all these topics we are going to discuss today. And let us just recall about the private and public healthcare facilities. So children, in that we have learned about private healthcare facilities. So you know that children here, these are owned and run by the private hospitals. So what the situation we face in our country that, so today there are many private healthcare services that are run and owned by the many doctors. And what we see that today there are many public healthcare facilities. But when it comes to number, private clinics and hospitals are increasing, but not public healthcare services. Then what is available to people? That is more about public compared to public. If you see that private healthcare services are more available to people than public, and they are in a wide range running in our country. These private owned hospitals or the nursing homes are increasing in the country, and more number of people are running to these hospitals for their treatment. So mostly we see that in urban areas there are many private clinics and hospitals compared to the public. So people are running to these hospitals, but what they see that and what they face that there are many expensive hospitals which the poor people cannot afford. Here medicines are very expensive, and every service they have to pay here in a high range. So this is what we see that as number of private clinics are increasing and not public, so people are more going to the private hospitals. Then as these people sometimes they cannot afford, they cannot pay high expenses in these hospitals. So sometimes for their treatment, these poor people they have to borrow money from their near and dear, or sometimes even they have to sell their own possessions. Nearly it has been reported that 20% of the population they can afford expenses in the private hospitals, and it has reported that 40% of the people they cannot, and due to this sometimes they have to borrow money from their near and dear, and they have to sell their properties. In many places we see that generally in remote and tribal areas, due to not proper facilities provided for them, for example such as safe drinking water, housing facilities, sanitation, clean surrounding, etc. So generally these poor people and disadvantaged people, they are very prone to the illness. As a result, these people have, rather than going to the public, so they sometimes go to the private. Because in remote areas and tribal areas, there are very few public healthcare services, and sometimes they are not even run properly. And when these people go for such a private clinics, they have to sell their properties in case of their treatment. So this is the situation what we see in our country. Then in such cases we see generally women that she is not taken prompt manner to the hospitals. When it comes and when it compared with men, women generally compared very less than men. She, in many families we see that she has not taken properly to the hospitals. So very soon she becomes what here? A serious illness, and she suffers a lot. So during this situation, what the government can done? What is its responsibility that it should be done? So it is the responsibility of the government that it should provide basic amenities, basic facilities, and the needs of the people that have to be fulfilled. Like it should provide clean drinking water, the clean surroundings and sanitation, and good nutrition food should be supplied, because there are many poor families in our country that they are not getting sufficient basic necessities, and generally these people becomes here prone to illness and injuries. So it is the responsibility of the government to look after these poor and disadvantaged people and provide them basic facilities. Let us see here one of the experience in Kerala. Now in Kerala, in the year 1996, the government has taken here major steps. Basically, they gave more importance on health. Whatever the budget they get, from that 40% it is meant for the panchayat. In panchayat, the people spent mostly on health education and providing basic facilities for the people. For example, like housing facilities, water facilities, good nutrition food, health centers, and the requirements whatever they are needed in the villages. Development of women, health facilities, Anganwadis, and checking of the water facilities, etc. And not only these, but also number of beds, hospitals, medicines, they are also addressing. So this is what we see, that how the Kerala government has taken major steps for citizens, for the people, that how by providing basic facilities that maintain here a good maintenance of health of the people. Because what is needed to maintain a good health? First of all, we need what? Safe drinking water, clean surroundings, health facilities, housing, good nutrition food. So all these facilities are provided by the Kerala government. Now let us take one more example, that is about the Costa Rica. The Costa Rica is a very healthiest country in South America. Now it has mentioned in its constitution also that instead of spending its money on an army, it spends its money on health and education, and also provides many basic amenities by providing to its citizens like safe drinking water, housing, food facilities, then knowledge and education about the health. So like that, instead of spending money on army, it has spent more money on health. Because what is important according to here Costa Rica government, that is about health is very important at all levels. So it gave more importance for health by providing all basic necessities for its citizens. So this is what, children, today we have learned all about related to health. What is important? Good physical health is very important for the people. And for this, the government has to provide all basic amenities, necessities that are provided for the people, that are required for the people. Mostly people need what? Safe drinking water, health facilities, then housing, sanitation, etc. So children, this is all about here what we have learned about health and what the government should do. What is its responsibility in providing the amenities. Children, read textbook. Thank you.